Hello everyone, my name is Manny Uribe. I'm one of the culinary instructors here at Triton College. Can't have steak without potatoes. So we're gonna do some fingerling potatoes, right? So this was already prepped ahead of time. We have some blanched potatoes. We're gonna add some oil in here. Okay, so we have some fingerling potatoes here, which are already cooked off. All we're doing is just we're bringing them back up to life, right? So we have some cut side down. Okay, you wanna make sure they're not burning. Moving around, you wanna make sure they get a nice golden color. Once these are nice and golden brown, we have a little bit of spinach, so we're just gonna throw it in there. So the key is, whenever you're cooking spinach, is going to make sure that, well, fresh spinach, is that spinach is going to cook very, very fast. So you almost wanna throw it at the very end, so that way as it continues, as it sits, it's going to continue to cook, and then it's not going to turn into a dark brown. Just like anything green, as soon as you incorporate a lot of heat into it, it's going to change color. So you wanna make sure it's nice and green. Right, we eat with our eyes first. Wanna make sure it's delicious. Okay, so our potatoes are looking good. Right, it's got a nice little color to them. We're gonna season the potatoes. Remember, we season as we go. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper in here. Now at this point, I'm gonna introduce the spinach, and we're almost ready to plate. All right, so the residual heat's pretty much gonna continue to cook the rest of this. Right, we added the spinach. Right, so you have this bright green, just for a little bit more flavor. We're gonna add a little bit more of that compound butter we did. Right, so that's gonna incorporate a little bit of that garlic, some of the parsley, lemon juice, cherry vinegar. It's just going to tie everything in. Some potatoes.